You have the capacity, the capability, the resources, the mindset, the love, the guidance, the protection, everything necessary for you to get off that hamster wheel. Just make the decision. All right, hello and welcome back to another video. My name is The Spy BJ. If you're new here on my channel, we talk about transformation, mindset mastery, and getting more fulfillment out of this life. So if you're interested and that resonates and you're ready to build a rich life on purpose, I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially, girl, what you doing? Please subscribe. I would truly appreciate it if you just click that button. All right, so for today's video, I have a question for you. Are you tired of going in a hamster wheel, doing everything but not going nowhere, just going in a circle, going in a circle, going in a circle, round and round and round, round and round and go, what, round there, and then you get off and you realize I haven't done nothing, I haven't gone anywhere, and I don't like this place? If that's true, today's video is for you, girl. Okay, so that hamster wheel could look like many things. A lot of people will tie it into like a job. You're not liking your job, but I think that that goes for anything you're doing in your life, in your personal life. If you're tired of being where you are in any area of your life, and you just feel like you're taking actions, but you're just doing the bare minimum to maintain, but you're really not going anywhere, then first off, that feeling that you have of being stuck is because you keep choosing the same cycle over and over, and you're not really blasted out to the next level. Choosing that same cycle over and over is you choosing the cycle over change. The change feels scary. You haven't done anything to literally catapult yourself out of that hamster wheel. And if you're ready to do that, if you're tired of living small, if you're tired of living in a circle, going in a circle, that feeling of being trapped, that feeling of just repeating the same thing over and over, and you're at an age in your life where you're like, enough is enough. I hear you, I feel you, I see you, and I was you. And if you're ready to make a change, please, I want you to know that the change that you seek is possible. That looping the same problems in different areas of your life, just a different day, same problem, different day, that is not your life. That's a reflection of your consciousness. That's a reflection of your presence. If you are focused on just getting by, you're just going to get by, maybe even barely most times. That's the hamster wheel that you're on. It's what you're focused on. You're just focused on taking the next step to ensure that it goes in a loop. You haven't had a breakthrough, and so the loop continues. But you're like aware that you want to get out of it, but your actions are showing otherwise. I know that feeling. I know that feeling. You feel lonely, you feel misunderstood. You're watching other people online and you're like, I had this idea. This is supposed to be my life. I was there. I was the blueprint, and then but it stopped and you were not able to sustain. And you have these feelings of regret. You have these feelings of judging yourself, and you have these thoughts that if only I could have this resource, or if only I could have this access, then I can get to the next level. And all of those things remind you of what you don't have instead of giving you what you do have. Every day you're waking up, you're scrolling, you're going to a job you don't like, you're getting off work, you're decompressing with more scrolling. Work, oh, let me back up. You're working with people you don't like, you're working on stuff on projects you don't care for. Okay, you're off work now, you're decompressing by scrolling or watching, engaging in celebrity gossip, watching shows just because they're popular. These shows you may not even be you may not even be interested in. You do the bare minimum. You maybe check your kids homework and sign them off. You maybe passively engage with your spouse or your significant other. You send a couple text messages off. You don't have a schedule. You're eating all times of night, and you do the same thing every day, Monday through Friday. On Fridays, you look forward to the weekend, giving you some type of reprieve, giving you some type of relief. But then the weekend calls for you to get together the things you weren't able to do on the weekday. And so you spend a lot of weekend time decompressing and getting stuff done that needs to get done before the cycle begins again on Monday. That sounds depressing. I know you hate it. It's time to get out of it. Let's cut through the crap. Let's get to the point of you breaking through, of you breaking out of that hamster wheel, of you breaking out of that hamster cage, of you breaking free from the things that you don't want, that you don't like, that do not align with you, and for you to step into your purpose, for you to step into what you're just curious about. It doesn't have to be some big purpose that you were, a seed was planted when you was 2 years old and you have this immaculate story. It could just, it could just be you simply going after the one desire and making it happen. But that's going to take a promise to yourself that you don't break, Not a promise to someone else. You're not sharing this with anybody else. This is going to take a promise to yourself that you are going to be responsible for. And if you're ready to be responsible, I don't care if you've broken promises to yourself in the past. This is not about the past. This is not about the future. It's about the present moment. Your conscious awareness of where you are right now. And if you don't like it, you accept what it is, but you make a promise to change it by taking a daily action to improving the quality of your life. That's all it is. Don't worry about making the right decision. Just make a decision and then make it right. You don't need all the just make a decision and then make it right. If you don't not sure about the keto diet, besides you having any like medical issues that you need to consult with your doctor, aside from that, if you want to start a diet and you're not sure if it's going to work for you, all you need to do, start it, figure it out for yourself. See what works. Keep a food journal. How does eating this high fat, low carb diet make me feel? I felt hungry, so I stopped. All right, I'm gonna start another one before I stop. When I stop, I'm gonna start another one. I'm not gonna even give it time for me to do what I was doing before. Okay? But you have to keep that promise to yourself, and only you can do that. So I call you up to the stand to stand on your own leaderboard for yourself and proclaim that this must change. But this is how you get the breakthrough. You make the promise, and this is how you interrupt the pattern of the hamster wheel. You made the promise. I'm getting off this hamster wheel, but you're still going in the hamster wheel. This is how you break the pattern. You literally have to do something different on purpose. You have to do something different on purpose with intent that you're going to get off the hamster wheel, knowing and believing you're going to get off the hamster wheel, even if you've never gotten off that hamster wheel in whichever area of your life that we're talking about. You have to break one automatic habit today by making a decision. Point blank, period. There's no other way. The best way to break the pattern by making the decision, in my personal opinion, is to do a challenge. When you do a challenge, you're going to do something different on purpose. It's a challenge. That's why you're doing it. It's something you've never done before. It's something that's enough difficulty from where you are to where you want to be that it's going to make you change. It's going to get you off that hamster wheel you hate being on. You hate being on the same loop in your relationship. You hate being on the same loop at your job. You hate being on the same loop in your career. You hate being on the same loop as a parent. You hate not knowing the languages. You hate not having traveled to places you want to travel to. You hate not going back into your childlike whimsy that truly makes you unique. You hate all of that. You have to break the pattern. You have to break the pattern by choosing to do something different on purpose. Choose to do something different on purpose. Don't delay it. Choose tonight. Choose right now when you're watching this video. Do not delay the decision to do something different. I have two challenges for you in my description. One is the 7-day challenge. Start before you're ready 7-day challenge. It's free. It's for anyone who's unsure of what they should do. Give yourself 7 days to choose one thing in one area of your life that you're going to focus on, and you're going to get it done. And that's free, and I guide you through it. Start with there. And if you're ready to make real impactful, long-lasting change, I have the 100 days 1U. It's a tracker. It's a guide. I literally walk you through the 100-day framework and how I used it last year to lose 50 pounds and how I'm doing it again in different areas of my life. If you're ready to make a change, you have to choose to do something different on purpose. A challenge is the perfect step for you to take. So make sure you click the link in the description. If you're ready to get off the hamster wheel, make sure you actually don't just sign up for it. I want you to do it. I want you to reply to my emails. I want you to comment. I want you to build a rich life on purpose. And it's going to require you to get out of your comfort zone, by making that promise and choosing to do something. That's the decision. But more importantly, the decision has to be choosing to do something different on purpose. That's where the change happens. That's how you get off the wheel. That's how you go into building a rich life on purpose, mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. I'm doing it right here, right now. I put out videos every single day. This is a training. This is transformative training. What I'm teaching you is transformative training. Don't just watch this video, do something about it. All right? Okay, it's getting dark, but I wanted to make sure you heard that. Before the animals come out and reclaim their home for the night, please make sure you subscribe. I would truly appreciate it. On the flip side, thank you all for being here so much. I really cannot wait. I really truly believe in you, and I hope you believe in yourself. the hamster wheel is no longer your home address. You have the capacity, the capability, the resources, the mindset, the love, the guidance, the protection, everything necessary for you to get off that hamster wheel. Just make the decision. All right. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Aspire J, and I hope you have a beautiful day. All right. Peace.